Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power, turn the breaker off and remove the service panel. This prevents the compressor from energizing while you work. Next, remove the fan guard and top cover to expose the compressor and coils. Do this now and keep fasteners organized. Once the cabinet is open, visually inspect for oil leaks, heavy dirt, and loose wiring. Take a photo if needed. Make sure to wear gloves and eye protection while you handle the compressor and nearby components. You now perform the detailed cleaning. Gently vacuum the condenser fins and motor vents using a brush attachment. This removes surface dust without bending fins. Then spray a foaming coil cleaner on the coils and wait the recommended 5–10 minutes so grime emulsifies. The foam carries dirt away. While the cleaner works, inspect electrical terminals and tighten any loose bolts, and straighten fins with a fin comb where airflow is limited. Make sure oil stains are noted. Those indicate leaks that need further attention. Once coils are rinsed gently from inside out, let the cabinet dry briefly, then reattach the fan guard and service panel. Restore power and run the system on cool for 10–15 minutes while you monitor pressures and listen for abnormal noises. This confirms cleaning success. If the compressor hums but fails to start, check the start capacitor and consider a hard start kit. These address starting torque issues. If an electrical fault or oil leak appears, shut power off.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.